Here's a 2007 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident. The cabin is elegant and sporty. The performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. And it comes with all the amenities you need. AM/FM satellite prep radio, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, rear wheel drive, auxiliary audio input, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Auto Week declares this car's interior is truly beautiful. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.